I have a coupon code to score you eBay's best tech deal of the week. It's 60% off. It's insane. It's a secret, and it's coming right up. Oh, that's the sweet buzz of bargains. The sweet sound of savings. I'm going to show you what I'm holding in a moment. Hello, I am the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I am also holding your keys to some substantial savings on eBay. Very excited. This actually has become one of the most popular new series I have on this YouTube channel. If you've never seen me before, I find the biggest deals in the country. I round them up for you, and you find coupon codes on this channel that no one else knows about that will significantly lower your prices. And today's deal is astounding at 60% off. I should also mention that today's deal is sponsored by Nation's Best Deals. They are paying me to say Nation's Best Deals. Nation's Best Deals. Awesome. Just got more money for diapers from my baby. All right. Now, I've done a profile piece on the best electric toothbrush that will whiten your teeth. This is dentist recommended. This has an over 6-month battery life. Usually retails for $180, and today a price as low as $70. But you need to know how to manipulate the system, and I am going to show you how to do that. So before we get to the coupon code, which is a little bit of a process that you will only see right here. If you expand the video description box, you're going to find a link with which you can pair that coupon code. First, let me show you why this toothbrush, or this one, is absolutely awesome. It's the #1 rated electric toothbrush in the country right now with new stain removal technology. You get a deep clean, it gently whitens your teeth, it pulsates through your gums. You get a tooth coach, which uses smart technology to make sure all of your teeth are treated perfectly. And the battery lasts up to 3 months on just one single charge, or 6 months for $10 more on the upgraded model. It's ultra quiet. It's fully waterproof. You could keep it underwater forever. And it is the best electric toothbrush you will see anywhere. So 2 toothbrushes, 2 separate links, 1 coupon code. The white toothbrush, $70 instead of $180. This has that 6-month battery life and all of the modes for sensitive cleaning, whitening, polishing, all that. I'm telling you, you will save so much money on teeth whitening and visits to your dentist. And then also the black diamond model. This is the prestige one. Battery life, slightly better, but you do have some higher end brush heads that come with it as well, and you get this really snazzy color. All right, here's what you need to do. Using that link located right under the video screen, you are going to see the white toothbrush and the black toothbrush. And you're also going to see them advertised at prices far higher than I'm mentioning, and that is because I am showing you a coupon code and the power of a coupon code. So this is how it works on eBay. It's a little bit different. Do not click buy it now or add to cart. For this coupon code to work, this is what you need to do for the white or the black toothbrush. Let's start with the white. Click make an offer. Put in a price of $70. That's all you need to do. Order as many as you want. And then you see where it says add message to seller? Click that and then enter their amazing coupon code of In My Mouth 2019. Someone was creative and a lot of fun, possibly on a Friday night. Then click review offer. $70 will be your accepted price. Your shipping will be free. You need to put that note in. And then when you click submit offer. After you click submit offer, you will receive an email from eBay asking you to confirm your purchase once the offer is accepted. This could take 24 hours, it could take 2 hours, it could take an hour, but you need to complete that second step for your deal and this coupon code to work in tandem. For the black diamond toothbrush, same thing. It has a slightly higher price by $10. Your offer price will also need to be $10 more for this coupon code to work. Don't click buy now, don't click add to cart, click make offer. From there, enter $80 as the black toothbrush price. Again, remember, $70 for the white, $80 for the black. Put in your quantity, add message to seller. On this, same thing, In My Mouth 2019. There you go. Click review offer. And then if this is clicked with your submission, you will get an email from eBay telling you that your offer has been accepted, and you are scoring these toothbrushes at 60% off. Awesome! Oh, that looks so wrong. As I did it, I'm like, no, but it was cool. It was a cool concept. Anyhow, saving money is even cooler. And I want to thank all of you guys for getting to this point in the video. If you do not need an electric toothbrush for any reason, fine. But maybe there is some benefit to you sharing this video with someone who does. The coupon codes and links that I have generally last sometimes an hour, sometimes a couple of hours. Make sure you have your notifications turned on for this channel. Remember, a few weeks ago, I did that incredible 4K TV box for 15 bucks. Then I had that Robo foot massager, which was, I think, somewhere between 40 and 60 bucks. That sold out in an hour, and a lot of you were really disappointed. I should also mention that the free shipping tied to this is a huge steal, and that's one of the fun things about eBay. Some of you guys have pointed out in the comments, and I read them because they make me better at my job. This is a great way to support smaller and, in some cases, local businesses, some mom and pop retailers that have incredible reviews and incredible ratings, and we're not just shelling out cash to the big box stores. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I've got more Amazon coupon codes, more eBay deals of the week, more ways to really score you the best of what life has to offer at a fraction of the price. Those are all coming right up. So if you're not yet subscribed, this is what you can do. Just click on my head right here. See, I'm brushing my teeth. That will subscribe you to the channel if you need help turning on your notifications, right up there. And the last roundup of deals that I had that you may still be able to score, right over here.